Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number KC8-214-8. This is your 12,000 pound trailer hub for your Carter and Dexter Lippert trailer axles. Let's check it out. Alright, so this is your KC8-214-8 12,000 pound trailer hub. Works with the Dexter, Carter, and Lippert trailer axles. It has an 8 on 6.5 bolt pattern. So 6.5 inches from center of one stud to center of the other stud straight across. Heavy duty 5/8 studs. You can use swivel flange nuts or the tension ring with the cone nuts on these. It's a 4.75 hub on it, so hub piloted. It uses a 4-inch oil cap right here. You can use the plastic ones or the new style aluminum ones, sold just like you see it. Ready to go. It uses the 10-56 oil seal along with the 3984 inner bearing and the 28682 outer bearing, and the races are already pressed in for you, so you don't have to worry about that. Good to go. And if you need these, you can get them at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we would love to help you out. Thanks for watching.